So guys, today we are going to see a project demonstration of a solar light. So actually it is a mini project, and also we can suggest this project for school students. So the main concept of the project is converting the solar source into a energy. So basically we know very well the solar panels, that is PV panels, can generate the power supply from the sunlight. So using the solar panel we are going to design a small LED setup. So for that we are going to use a solar panel and a charge controller. The charge, we can say it's a charge controller or BMS, and a rechargeable battery, lithium ion battery, and a LED bulb. Okay, so the concept of this project is, so we are going to collect the solar energy, we are going to convert the solar energy using DC to DC converter, that is charge controller, and we are going to charge the battery. From the battery we are going to use for LED lights. So this is the concept. Here we need to study about the components which we are going to use. The solar panel converts the sunlight into electrical energy, and the second thing is a charge controller, regulates the charging and discharging of the battery, protects the battery from overcharging and excess charging. We can call it as BMS, battery management system. And a rechargeable battery, we are using a lithium ion 2000 mAh capacity, 3 lithium ion batteries for the sufficient power supply. And for LED bulb we are using as a output device, where we are going to drain the battery using this LED device. So let us see the live demonstration. So as we discussed in the block diagram, this is the complete setup. So the setup contains a lithium ion battery, 3 lithium ion battery, and a charge controller. It is a BMS, and this BMS will act as a charging and discharging circuit, and LED strip lights which we can able to drive the solar energy, and a solar panel, 3-watt solar panel, and manual operatable switch. So if you keep it in the sunlight, the solar panel will continuously keep on charging the lithium ion battery. So if the lithium ion batteries get charged, then we can use for multiple purpose. For example, we design this project for street light. If you want, we can use it for mobile charging, and also if you want, we can design a DC fan. So multi-purpose we can use the same circuit. So guys, if you require this project, or if you want to implement your own concepts, if you want a mini projects, major projects, school projects, all type of project works we are doing. And if you require any help, you can contact us from the number given in the screen. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribe and get regular updates. Thank you.